Good morning, students. Welcome in maths lecture with next chapter, that is chapter number 4, operations on fraction. About this fraction, we have already learned in 5th standard that this fraction is nothing but an incomplete number. Now see what is mean by that. See, if I told that there are 6 pens, okay, and we have to divide that 6 pens among 3 boys, okay. Now see, in this case, how we are writing? 6 divided by 3. Now, when I am dividing 6 by 3, we get answer 2 because 3 2s are 6. But if I told there are 5 pens and we have to divide them in 2 boys, right? Then 5 divided by 2. In this case, we cannot completely divide this 5 with 2. So, we are writing it as 5 upon 2. Okay? And this is called as your incomplete number, that is your fraction. Now, in this lecture or in this lesson, we are going to study about these fractions, right? Or what are different operations we are doing on this fraction that we are going to learn. In this, our first topic is conversion improper fraction into mixed number. Now what is that? Now what is first improper fraction? Improper fraction means what? Which not converting it in complete number, that is your improper fraction, like 7 upon 2 is your improper fraction. Now whenever you are taking or whenever you are doing anything on fraction, you just remember that this part is called as numerator, right? This part is called as denominator. Okay. So, this denominator is always act as divisor. What is called as divisor. And this numerator always act as dividend. Okay, in short, see, when we are dividing or when we are putting in the form of division, we are writing it as 7 divided by 2. So this you always write from denominator and this always come from numerator, right? Now see, this is our simple division which we have done in our 4th standard also, right? So if I am dividing 7 by 2, right, then in 2's table 7 is not coming, so we are taking 6, right, which is on the place 3. Okay, now 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, now see how to write this mixed fraction or mixed number. This is your improper fraction. From this you are getting this division part, and from division you are writing this mixed number. Now see how to write. In this division process, you get this 3 as a quotient, you write it here. Okay, your denominator means your divisor is always going in your denominator only, and your remainder, that is 1, will be here. Understand everyone? Shall I repeat it again? See, whenever you are taking improper fraction, that is 7 upon 2, 7 divided by 2. Now here your 6 is smaller number in 2's table, so you are writing it here 6, which is on the place 3, and when 7 minus 1 is there, your answer is 1. From this process, when we are writing our mixed fraction, always write quotient as a complete number, then your denominator means your divisor is in denominator place and your remainder in numerator place. Okay, next is, based on this first topic, that is conversion of improper fraction into mixed number, we are taking question number 2 from practice set 9, right? That is convert into mix. That is what? Convert into mixed number. Okay, now see, first question is 30 upon 7. Okay, now here, as I told, this numerator will be here, this denominator will be act as divisor. Now in this case, 30 is not coming in the table of 7. What will be the what is the smaller number? 28. 28 is on 4th place, right? So write 4 here and subtract 28 from this. Your answer is 30 minus 28, that is 2. Okay, as I told, whatever quotient is there, write as complete number, means 4, then put a vertical line here, horizontal line here, and your divisor is write in denominator, your remainder write in numerator. So your mixed number is 4 complete 2 upon 7. Always read it like this, 4 complete 2 upon 7. Then next, (11 upon 8). 11 divided by 8. In this case also, 11 is not coming in the table of 8. What is the smallest number? 8 only. So write 8, which is on the place 1. So subtract 8 from 11. What is your answer? 3. Right? And how to write this mixed number? 1 as a complete number. Put a horizontal line. Write your divisor as a denominator and your remainder as a numerator. Understand? Next example. Next is 7 upon 4. Now see. 7 divided by 4. Same. 7 is not coming in the table of 4. So the smallest number is 4 only. That is on the place 1 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So your mixed number is 1 complete 3 upon 4. Understand? Next. 15 divided by, 15 upon 12. That means 15 divided by, that means 15 divided by 12. Okay. Same, 12 is the smallest number in table of 12, then 15. So minus 12 from 15, which is on the place 1, you will get answer 3, right? So your mixed number is 1 complete 3 upon 12. Understand? So practice set 9, second question, convert into mixed number, is your today's homework. And everyone every day write table from 11 to 30, right? That is compulsory to all. Understand everyone? So we are stopping here. Till then, goodbye everyone and take care.